Welcome to Beautiful Home. Today we're stepping into one of the most underestimated spaces in interior design, the entryway. It's the very first moment your home speaks to you and your guests. In 2026, the entryway is no longer just a pass-through zone. It's a statement of taste, mood, and modern living. A well-designed entryway sets the emotional tone of the entire home: calm, elegant, confident, and intentional. Whether you live in a compact apartment or a spacious house, the details you choose here quietly define your lifestyle. Let's explore the most important entryway details that will make a modern home look stylish, elevated, and thoughtfully designed in 2026. In 2026, entryways are designed with intention, and that starts with a clear focal point. This could be a sculptural console table, an architectural mirror, or a statement wall finish. The key is balance, something that immediately draws the eye without overwhelming the space. Think clean lines, elegant proportions, and timeless materials like wood, stone, or metal with a soft matte finish. A focal point gives your entryway structure and purpose, making even a small space feel curated and complete rather than accidental. Lighting is no longer just functional, it's emotional. Modern entryways in 2026 use layered lighting to create warmth and depth. A sculptural ceiling light sets the tone, while wall sconces or subtle accent lighting add intimacy. Warm light temperatures are essential. Harsh lighting instantly breaks the sense of comfort. The goal is to create a gentle glow that makes coming home feel calming and intentional, especially in the evening. Good lighting can elevate even the simplest entryway design. Clutter is the enemy of style. The most elegant entryways of 2026 integrate storage so seamlessly that it almost disappears. Slim cabinets, hidden drawers, built-in benches with storage, or minimalist wall hooks keep essentials organized without visual noise. Everything has a place: shoes, bags, coats, and keys, allowing the space to remain visually calm. A tidy entryway instantly communicates sophistication and modern living. A mirror is one of the most powerful tools in entryway design. In 2026, mirrors are used strategically, not just for last-minute outfit checks, but to reflect light and visually expand the space. Oversized mirrors, softly rounded shapes, or minimal frames are especially popular. Placed above a console or on a side wall, a mirror adds depth, brightness, and elegance, making even narrow entryways feel open and inviting. If you're enjoying this video and haven't already, like it, leave a comment, and subscribe to Beautiful Home for more modern interior inspiration. Your support helps this channel grow, and I'd love to hear which entryway detail matters most to you. Modern style in 2026 is all about warmth through materials. Entryways embrace natural textures like wood, stone, linen, woven baskets, and ceramic accents. These elements soften clean lines and add a tactile, lived-in feeling. Even a small detail, a wooden tray, a textured vase, or a natural fiber runner, can completely change the atmosphere. The combination of modern design with organic materials creates a space that feels both stylish and deeply comfortable. A stylish entryway should never feel generic. In 2026, personal touches are essential. A piece of art, a framed photograph, a favorite book, or a unique decorative object adds soul to the space. These details don't shout, they whisper. They give your entryway character and make it feel truly yours. The goal is not decoration for decoration's sake, but meaningful accents that reflect your lifestyle and aesthetic. Color sets the emotional tone of your home the moment you step inside. Modern entryways in 2026 favor calm, cohesive palettes, warm neutrals, soft beiges, muted taupes, gentle grays, and subtle earthy tones. These shades create a seamless transition into the rest of the home and make the space feel timeless rather than trendy. A restrained color palette allows textures, lighting, and forms to shine without visual chaos. A stylish modern home isn't built on big gestures alone. It's shaped by thoughtful details, and the entryway is where it all begins. In 2026, the most beautiful entryways feel calm, intentional, and quietly confident. They welcome you home, slow you down, and set the mood for everything beyond the door. By focusing on lighting, materials, storage, and personal touches, you can transform even the smallest entryway into a space that feels refined and meaningful. Remember, style isn't about perfection. It's about creating a home that feels good the moment you step inside. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next beautiful home video.